Mr. President, my name is Anisa Nabi, daughter of Ghulam Nabi Khan. I am from village Kutlari, Mawar, Handwara in Kupwara district. I am here in search of my father and seek punishment for those who killed my mother. I was only 4 years old when my father was taken away by the Indian security forces on 24th of July 1996 and did not return till to date. Despite my best efforts, my family could not find whereabouts of my father. He was arrested by the Indian Army during a siege operation of our village. He, along with other scores of peoples, was taken to some unknown places. My mother and other relatives started their efforts for the release of my father from the captivity of Indian Army. All those who were arrested were released after a short interrogation and torture, but my father did not return. For some time, army officers gave assurances that he will be released soon, but thereafter they denied to reveal his whereabouts. Police refused to register the FIR, but later on, due to the public pressure, FIR was lodged in police station Langate. The police failed to investigate the disappearances of my father. My mother filed writ petition in the High Court of Jammu and Kashmir while she was pursuing it. The state authority harassed her and asked not to pursue the case, otherwise she will bear to consequences, and it happened on 26th of August 2003 when the troopers of local territorial army barged into our houses and shot indiscriminately and killed my mother. Mr. President, I met with chairperson of working group on disappearances and request him to help me to find my father. I request you, Mr. President, and all human rights defenders and decent nations to help me. I thank you, Mr. President.